Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to create your own videos on the application of Clapper. You will go to Clapper app as you see and you will click. In this page, you'll find this application like this. Then you will go to this sign here of plus and you will enter. Here you can choose if you want to do live or if you want videos or radio. You will click, for example, here video. Then you can click here. While using the app, you will allow access. And here, as you see in this page, you can here tap to record video, or you can click here to upload from your gallery. And when you will upload here, when you will click here, then you can upload on your gallery or in this page like this. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.